it's me again, Lay. Now, after my self-introductory, it's now time for my family background. I'm the eldest in our family, and my mother's name is Lily Banay Kasama. My father's name is Edgar Martinez Almonte. As I've mentioned earlier in my self-introductory video, I don't have middle name because my mother and father are not married. My father met my mother when he was already married, but now they are now all in good terms. Might as well introduce the name of my sisters. Well, I have attached a picture of our family in my e-portfolio. I'm the eldest, Lay Marie Justine Kasama. After me is Catherine Janine Kasama, then Abigail Janelle Kasama. Then we have two boys, which named Kevin James Almonte and Kyle Jason Almonte. And yes, I have 4 siblings. The 3 girls, are named after my mother's surname, and the other 2, the boys, are named after my father's surname. That's why we don't have the same surname as the boys do have. My family background is also a bit complicated because before, when I was born, my father and his former wife, his ex-wife, have some misunderstandings, and that leads me to be taken care of my tita, same as my sister after me. And fortunately, as I've said, they are now all in good terms, and I am really not comfortable talking about the past, about my family, especially how my mother and father met. So I just skip forward how I am as their sister. I'm a bit strict, I admit that, and I'm also lazy sometimes. Maybe that's the eldest attitude that everyone can agree on. And I don't know if I have someone favorite in my siblings, but sometimes I am more close with our youngest. Maybe the youngest are the charmest, that's why. But I'm also close with all of them. I only uploaded maybe 1 picture or 2 of our family in my e-portfolio because we don't really have a formal family picture, because my mother works abroad ever since I was in grade 8, and when she comes home, we barely have enough time to have a formal picture. Maybe that's why. And even if we go out, if she's here, sometimes we are not completed. Maybe my father works or he can't attend on our gala. Then sometimes my siblings and my father goes out or eat outside. My mother are not home. So maybe that's the reason. Not maybe. That's really the reason why we don't have formal complete family picture. And if we do have, it's not formal enough. But I am thankful that we do have some pictures where we are complete, and I hope someday we will have one that we can post on our home. We can post it on a wall. So yeah, as I've mentioned, that my mother works abroad ever since I was in grade 8. So a little story about that. Yes, I am too young on that time, but with the help of my sister, my siblings, with the help of my father, we survived that day. And I'm happy that God let me experience those things, because that's really a big part of who I am today. Because of that, I learned how to cook, I learned how to wash, I learned how to take care of my siblings, because before my mother went abroad, I'm really maybe I'm really a spoiled one, that I don't know how to do house chores because of that, because I always depend on my mother, and I always know that she will do that thing, she will take care of me. I don't have to work, I don't have to do the house chores. So that's a good experience for me, and because of that, I became too close with my siblings. Then maybe a little background about my parents. My mother is so strict before, when I was around 13 to 18 years old, before I became legally adult. And even until now, she's a bit strict, maybe because when she left, I was only 14 years old, and my siblings are younger than that. Maybe she thinks that we are still in that age, that we are still her babies. Maybe that's why, and I understand her for that. And about my father, I can say that he's a workaholic, and sometimes grumpy, maybe because of his age, but he may not be showy about his feelings, but it's always shows on his action. Yes, as I've said, my father is not a showy person about his feelings, unlike my mother. And maybe that's where I got my not so showy personality. Well, I can say that my personality and my siblings' personality or attitudes are not the same, but we have something in common, and that is being fond of eating. That's why we are all chubbies. We do love playing, especially mobile games, and me and my sister, after me, we love to hang out if we have some allowance left sometimes. Then the third one and me loves to eat outside. Street foods, milk teas, like that. Same as the fourth one. And the fifth ones love to maybe have some sumo fight every night. That's our routine every day. Our family is just the same as the typical family. We loves to have some chicas. We love to have some story time every time we have the chance to eat together. We love to laugh. We love to joke each other. We love to tease each other. And maybe that's what keeps us close together. That's our bonding time. And maybe that's the things I can share to you guys about my family background. Our family is always happy. There are times that we are mad at each other. There are times that we laugh together. There are times that maybe we hate each other, but only in a span of time. But I guess that's how every family is, and above all, we love each other.